6 Fascinating Facts About the Telephone. Fascinating facts about the telephone, a revolutionary invention that changed the course of communications history. From its humble beginnings to the era of smartphones, the phone has played a pivotal role in connecting people all over the world. Although Alexander Graham Bell is widely known as the father of the telephone, he wasn't the first to conceive of its existence. Inventors such as Antonio Meucci and Johann Reis had already created functional devices for transmitting sound. Elisha Gray, an inventor from Illinois, also filed a patent warning for his version of the telephone the same day Bell filed his patent. In 1879, telephone numbers were introduced after a measles epidemic disrupted the availability of keyboard operators in Lowell, Massachusetts. To simplify the system, telephone subscribers were identified by numbers rather than names, which initially raised concerns about dehumanization. In the 1960s, when alphanumeric systems involving the local exchange name were prevalent, the move to all-digit phone numbers encountered resistance from customers. William Gray, a machine polisher from Connecticut, got into a traumatic situation when he couldn't find a phone to call a doctor for his sick wife. This led him to develop the first coin-operated public telephone in 1889, which provided public access to telephone communications beyond expensive private subscriptions. By the end of the 20th century, there were about 2 million payphones across the United States. However, the rise of cell phone ownership has led to a decline, and only a fraction of those payphones are left today. Alman B. Strauger, an undertaker from Kansas City, felt that the operators were diverting potential clients to a competing business. To address this problem, he invented the electromagnetic-powered automatic exchange. Patented in 1891, the system became operational in Lockport, Indiana, the following year. While operator-assisted calls have persisted for some time, advances in automated technology have gradually reduced their presence. The birth of the cell phone can be traced back to Martin Cooper, CEO of Motorola. On April 3, 1973, Cooper made the first phone call from a prototype device on a street in Midtown Manhattan. However, the concept of cell phones goes back even further, with the first phone call being made on June 17, 1946, from a car carrying bulky transportation equipment. The phone has come a long way, evolving into the modern smartphone we depend on today. Smartphones combine telephony with advanced computing capabilities, revolutionizing how we communicate, access information, and communicate with the world around us. From voice calls to text messages, video chats, and the endless range of applications, the smartphone has become an indispensable part of our lives. These facts shed light on the rich history and transformative impact of the phone. From its early beginnings into today's digital age, the phone continues to shape the way we communicate and connect in an ever-evolving world.